This is the 1969 Oldsmobile 442. Forget the stripped-down street racers. This was General Motors' gentleman's muscle car. Starting around $3,200, it delivered serious performance without sacrificing comfort or build quality. Under the hood sat a massive 400 cubic inch Rocket V8 producing over 360 horsepower. If you wanted maximum performance, you checked the box for the legendary W30 forced air induction package. Oldsmobile routed cool, outside air through functional inlets beneath the front bumper directly to the carburetor. They even replaced the heavy steel inner fenders with lightweight red plastic pieces to reduce front end weight. Combined with its heavy-duty suspension, the 442 earned a reputation as one of the best-handling GM muscle cars of its era. Today, a documented, numbers-matching W30 survivor can easily command over $80,000. So here's the question. Did Oldsmobile quietly build the best all-around muscle car of 1969? Or does the Chevelle SS still deserve the spotlight?